Hi, my name is Bill Mackay from Blue Connections. Welcome to Tech Talk. In this edition, we're going to go through the HP 1040 EliteBook. It's the Generation 11 X360. Let's get it open and see what we've got inside. So this one's packed with a few extra goodies. So they have started to do a drop-in box scenario. They call it DIB, drop-in box, and this one comes with a sleeve, and you've got one power supply, USB-C. You've got two power supplies, USB-C, so while you're on the go, you've got a spare power supply. We have your pen for your touchscreen. Oh, let's get all this out. So much cardboard. At least it's all cardboard and it's all post-consumer recycled cardboard, so we'll get rid of all this. Oh yeah, the instruction manual. We don't want them. More instruction manuals. Let's see what we've got in here. So, pen. Oh, and we've got a dongle. A USB-C to Ethernet dongle, two power supplies, and a HP Renew business sleeve. Sorry about that. But we want to see the good stuff. Here we go. It's shiny. These are so good. No, that's a pen. You don't need that. These are so cool. It's more intelligent than me. We've got AI functions built into this. AI functions that monitor the usage of the device and control the battery and performance of the device. So some really, really cool features. Let's take a look at the tech specs. We've got a range of Intel 14th Gen Ultra processors from the Ultra 5 U processors right up to the Ultra 7 H processors. They'll turbo up to 5 gigahertz of performance in turbo speed. You've got performance cores and economy cores. They're just the grunt. Up to 32 gig of memory soldered to the motherboard. Unfortunately, these are not upgradable, but when you can get one out of the box that's 32 gig and 1 terabyte of storage, or upgraded to 2 terabytes of storage, that's huge. And that storage is also PCIe Gen 4, so super quick. Portability and usability on the go with 4G LTE or 5G embedded. Also with Poly Studio, we've got the built-in Poly chip onto the motherboard so that your pairing with your Poly headsets, now that they're all owned by HP, is really seamless and gives you a super good connection. For when you are on the go, you can get up to 1000 nit brightness on the screen. So with SureView, which is your privacy screen built into the device. So when you're out in the sun, you can pump up the brightness and still see it in bright sunny days. This device is suitable for your executive who wants portability out on the road, for your sales guy that's out on the road all the time, or someone who just needs a bit more power when they're out on the road. Being 1.3 light, 3 kilos light, it's so portable and so usable. And one of the crazy things is you've got that 360 hinge portability, so you can flip it right over and right on the device. So that's really practical, and that's one of my favourite features for these types of devices. If you need any help getting hold of one of these, please give us a call at Blue Connections. One of the sales team would be only too happy to help. My name's Bill Mackay from Blue Connections. Thank you for watching Tech Talk. I'll see you next time. Bye.